Okay, so I'm not sure who you are and why you're watching this, but unless you're me or the people I'm making this for, this video is probably not for you. So, a couple of things you can do. First, you can just go ahead and go somewhere else, because I'm not sure if I'm sailing a boat, if I'm riding a motorcycle, if I'm flying a drone, if I'm scuba diving, if I'm building something, if I'm operating some heavy equipment of some kind. I don't know. But just go ahead and go unless you're supposed to be here. And if you want to be a butthead about it, like push the like button before you leave or something. I don't know. But here's what I'm doing today. All right, so our proposed new breakwater is going to be, so right about there is where it ends, the existing one. So here's our harbor. Water is way down. We've got room to put more docks right there, even with the lake way down like this, because that goes pretty deep there. This one, probably not. This one, could do, but would only be able to go out to here. But let's scroll back down this way and come on back and come on up. All right, so here's our existing breakwater. Bunch of tires that seem to be working, but not always. What we're seeing now is, I'll just kind of back up. Everything would come from this point right here. So right here, the breakwater comes out this way. So we'd be coming out somewhere similar, but just in this direction right here. And as we rotate this way, it would just come straight out. So it would come straight out this direction. Okay, so moving to the right. The proposed new breakwater would come out to this guy right here. See that? That is one of the anchors for something going on here. It's not a mooring ball, it's actually an anchor for one of these guys. So we move it to the right, and we go straight along this way. It would add, close to 30 slips, depending on how we did it. Anywhere from, 20 to 30 slips, or 20 to 29 slips. And go all the way across here and have a wide concrete deck, anywhere from 6 to 12 feet wide, with baffles coming down, and it would replace all these tires. And then when we look at that, would be the angle right about there, and give us that much room for protection. Yeah, seems to be good. Anyway, that's a visual. I'm gonna come back over here. And land.